3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
If you're seeing the something went wrong notification on your Facebook app, don't worry, this video will guide you through the steps to fix it. First, ensure you're subscribed to this channel and hit the notification bell for more helpful videos like this. Now, let's dive in. If your Facebook homepage chat icon or video section isn't loading and you keep seeing the error, start by updating your app. Open the Play Store or App Store for iOS, search for Facebook or Facebook Lite, and tap Update if available. Updating ensures you're running the latest version of the app, which often resolves bugs. Next, go to your phone settings, scroll down to App Management, and select App List. Find Facebook or Facebook Lite in the list and tap it. Under Storage Cache, select Clear Cache to delete temporary files, then Clear Storage to reset the app's data. Once done, close all background apps and relaunch Facebook. You should now see your homepage, chat section, notifications, and other features working correctly. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and comment below. Let me know if you still encounter issues. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.